So I want to request CMA Institute on behalf of all CMA inter and final students, please release the official notification of exam postponement as soon as possible with proper clarity that by how many days exam got postponed. Please provide us mock test series without any technical glitches. Please provide us clarity whether any student who earlier opted for center-based examination can switch to home-based examination and vice versa, because many of my students message me that sir, we have opted for center-based examination and now our family or I myself getting the symptoms of COVID. So in that scenario, it will be very harmful that COVID students is appearing in center-based examination. It will be very harmful for the other student. And please provide opt-out facility up to the end of the examination as provided by CA Institute and CS Institute as well. So that's all from my side. I request all the students and the stakeholder to please share the video so that this video reach to the concerned authority. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.